This is Hobby's Siesta A65GM campervan, a model, as you can see, with a overcab, an alcove as they say in German. Looking in through here into the garage, well, we can see a couple of things. The 671 kilos is the overall payload, not just the garage. It's unfortunate it's written there and not somewhere else. But you could move this spare bed up and down. So using the spare bed, or I should say two spare beds rather, or two bunk beds in the garage, which can be moved according to requirement. If you want to get some bikes in there or something like that, it's not such a bad idea. It's not like keeping the kids in the garage either, really, because as you will see now, you can actually have a nice entrance from inside. Okay, on the left we've got a very spacious wardrobe, and on the right we've got the bathroom. Now the ladder needs to be taken away for access to both, I think. Let's have a look, see if we can open the door without too many problems. Oh, we can do. Look at that, we got into the bathroom without any problems. Inside the bathroom is a sliding door, which acts as a shower curtain, and it goes across like that. I personally prefer a sliding door on the outside. I know the arguments against shower curtains. Many ladies of all don't tend to like them. Now the toilet bowl will move according to requirements. There's plenty of space over there for your towels, and you won't get the towels wet because this thing here comes out. I can show you how. That comes out like that. Keeps your towels dry, and then the sliding door goes over there, up there. So that's quite a good idea. You see how the ladder works to get up to the overcab up there as well. Kitchen's on the right with a bit of preparation space. Now you can get a model here with a tower fridge, or you can have a model like this with a smaller fridge. There. Lockers all the way around. Space here for your television. This is on a Fiat automatic gearbox. I know that most people want automatic gearboxes. I don't, I want manual, but I am in a small minority. Three burners, sink. I'll give you a quick peek in here without taking the ladder away. So you've got storage up there, and a storage on the other side, hanging space on the other side. And that's bigger than many people have wardrobes at home. Well, of course this is for 4 people. Personally, I would go for the version with a double bed at the back, but there are those who have children who may want that one. Plenty more vans here from Hobby, you can see in other films. So please have a look at my site.